Main points of Organization of Turkic States, OTS. Organization of Turkic States is an intergovernmental organization comprising of Turkic states. It was founded in 2009 in Azerbaijan by Nakhchivan Agreement. Its General Secretariat is located in Istanbul, Turkey. Member countries of OTS are 5 and observer countries are 2. Founding member countries are Azerbaijan, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Turkey, 5th member of OTS. Uzbekistan joined in 2018. Observers are Hungary, Turkmenistan, and Northern Cyprus. Mnemonic to learn. Tigers are king. Kings used to hunt. Tigers for Turkey. RA for Azerbaijan. King for Kazakhstan. Kings for Kyrgyzstan. Used for Uzbekistan. 2 for Turkmenistan. Hunt for Hungary. So member countries are Azerbaijan, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Turkey and Uzbekistan. Observer countries are Turkmenistan and Hungary, along with Northern Cyprus, country not recognized by UN. Please subscribe for more such information.